Some gender used to say, hello, please, I'm bored. Can you please come over? Let us just watch film, Netflix, play truth or dare, and some other things, and you will go home. And you will go home. So the gender will be like, okay, no problem. I don't have a transport money. Can you please send me TP? So okay, send me your account number. Film, check out 20 years I was seeing it. Let me dress up, I'm coming. Bro, like 5 or 3 minutes or 10 minutes. Oh my god, your place is so beautiful. Thank you. Then we see it. The guy man go put Netflix. You not put any other film, you put 365 days. What is your intention? What is your intention, this gender? What is your intention? What? No, they are adults. They understand each other.